Darin Martineau with ProMagicArt.com. Hello everyone. Happy holidays. In this video I'm going to show a couple of different I'm going to show different effects. One is a Tom Mullica effect. Another one is one that I come up with a variation of a Jen Palm and a J.C. Wagner palm-to-palm transfer. So we're going to start with the Tom Mullica effect. Okay, so you're going to control the selection to the top. In this case, it's 2 hearts. Okay, do any kind of false shuffles or cuts that you like, just leaving it on top. Do your favorite falses, whatever you want, in the hands, on the table. You're leaving the card on top. Now, you're going to use a lot of comedy and misdirection, okay, which Mullica is known for. And you're going to have them name a number 1 through 10, okay? And as you're addressing them here, you're drawing the attention to them. Your hand is shown empty, but you're drawing the attention to them. You're saying, think of any number. Now, let's say for this example they named 7. So what I'm doing over here is your thumb's going to go, and this is towards you, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You're going to count that silently. Now, the 2 hearts is here. What you're going to do is get it in this grip. This is here. Now this will be like on the side of your leg. If you're behind a table, behind a bar, your hands will be hanging down. But from an exposed angle, what this is going to do is it's going to shoot from here to here. And it happens really fast. It's not so much fast as it's slick. It's just going to go boom. And this will be done, you know, you can go like that. If they see anything, they're not going to see it because misdirection, right? Now, you tell them to name the number, okay? They name the number. So you're handing the deck to them, and you're going to do the magical moments, the deck's in their hands and everything like that. You're going to have them deal down. So they count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. On 7, their card will appear face up like that. Okay, so that is the first one. The next one we're going to show is going to be coming up, so watch the next video.